Chapter 10, The Fruit Fight. Students, today we will read our new chapter in English, that is The Fruit Fight. Let's start. Chapter 10, The Fruit Fight. All of us should eat fresh fruits every day. Fruits are good for our health. Let's read this chapter. One day, Vivek's mother was busy filling in the report cards of her class. She could not go to the market to buy fruits for the family. So Vivek and his father decided to help her out. They bought apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes from the fruit market. The fruit seller packed the fruits carefully in paper bags, and Vivek put the paper bags in a cloth bag that they had brought with them from home. Students, have you noticed one thing? This fruit seller has used paper bag. Yes, he has used paper bag. Instead of using plastic or poly bag, what he has used? He has used paper bag. That means he is being environment friendly. And here also Vivek put the paper bags in a cloth bag that they had brought with them from home. They have brought this cloth bag. They have not taken a plastic bag with them. They are also being environment friendly. We should also do the same thing. Then his father decided to stop at the library to exchange a few books. Now his father, he decided to stop at a library to exchange, means books ko badalna. Vivek did not like going into a big library because the books there were for grown-ups. His school library had books with colorful pages and exciting stories. Vivek liked reading them. He told his father that he would wait in the car instead. So he did not go to that library. He was waiting in the car. As Vivek sat in the car, he felt sleepy. It was a hot day. His father had parked the car under a tree in the parking lot, so it was cool inside the car. Vivek soon fell asleep. As soon as he closed his eyes, the fruits in the bag began to stir, means to move. What happened? The fruits in the bag began to move. At first, the little grapes began to run around the bag like the little mice. They bumped into the red apples, who became very angry and frowned at the little green grapes. What happened, student? The little grapes began to run around the bag like little mouse. जैसे छोटे छोटे माउस होते हैं वो भागते हैं ना, ऐसी जो little grapes थे वो भी आपस में भागने लगे. They bumped means to hit against something. So they bumped into the red apple, who became very angry. उसको इतना गुस्सा आया and they frowned at the little green grapes. Frown means a facial expression to express anger. Means उनको एप्पल को इतना गुस्सा आया लिटिल ग्रीन ग्रेप्स की तरफ कि उसने उनको गुस्से में देखा. The grapes ran off as they heard the apples growl. Growl means to say and something angrily. Means गुस्से में उनको लगा कि एप्पल अभी भी कुछ बोलने वाला है गुस्से में. But in their hurry, they bumped into the bananas. अब what happened? पहले तो these little grapes, they bumped into the red apple. Now they bumped into the bananas. They too got angry and began pushing away the little grapes. The oranges were sunning themselves in the bag. They had rolled across the bag and were spread in between the bananas and the apples. They wanted to look shiny and clean. The grapes ran over their tops and downs their sides, making them roll over the bag. All the fruits now began running around trying to catch the little grapes and teach them a lesson. At last, the apples and the oranges stood in the way of the grapes and they had to stop. They were also tired. The oranges cried, "Oh, look at us! Our shiny orange skins are full of dirty marks." Hearing them, the apples added, "Our sides are bruised with the running of these grapes." The bananas grumbled, "We will be squashed if we have to stay inside any longer." Now, what happened? These apples also added that our sides are bruised. Bruised means an injury with a mark. With running of these grapes, the bananas grumbled, means they were also complaining that we will be squashed. Squashed means to press with force if we have to stay inside any longer. They wanted to throw the grapes out when the biggest grape plead on behalf of other grapes. "Please, elder sirs, we may be small and naughty, but we all are full of health. We give Vivek lots of calories without making him fat. His mother packs us in his tiffin box because he cannot take a banana to school." The banana felt hurt by Grape's remark and said, I make sure that Vivek has strong bones by eating me. I am his favorite breakfast food." The apple could not stop interfering. He cried, "I disagree. He always carries me in his pocket and takes juicy bites from me, and when he is coming back from playing football in the evening." The oranges did not like being left out. They rolled around and said, "We give him a clean and shiny skin. He looks fresh at school." By this time, Vivek's father was back. Vivek found someone shaking him. "Vivek, wake up. We have reached home." His father was sick. Now Vivek rubbed his eyes and looked at the shopping bag. He found the fruits lying still in their paper bags. Had he really heard the fruits talking to one another, or was he dreaming? Vivek was not sure.